Hi guys, welcome to another video of Incorporate Fitness. And what we're doing today is with Leonie, and we are doing a plank based exercise more for the abs. So we'll be doing plank and the beast position. So we're going to alternate between these two and work out for a minute and a minute's rest, and it'll be an intense workout where Leonie is already warming up. You can see her doing that. There she is. Yeah, she's on a warm up already.
Ready?
So you're ready, getting ready for the workout. Yeah. So we don't use those. We warm up in way how athletes do, and that's how we do it. Alright, so watch us on the video and watch till the end. There's some interesting exercise coming. Alright, Leonie is still on the warm-up, and this is for the warm-up jumping jacks. Then she'll switch into her leg switches. So you guys don't see the warm-up sessions. It goes up to 10 minutes or so, and it's an intense warm-up because we don't want any ligaments or tendons tearing up. So, yes, go on. Yeah. All right, Leonie is on the first exercise. Okay, so we're doing the inchworm. So the plank-based exercise starts with an inchworm today. If you see her, she walks with a hand and then becomes a plank, waits there for a second, then comes back up, and yeah, she's been doing it. So it's done. Alright, that's the second exercise. You can hear the timer going. So she's finished 15 seconds. Now, you need to keep your abs locked. You can see that she's keeping the abs locked by pushing the butt a little high and flexing it, okay, but not too high, and holding that. Now she's tapping her shoulders and then coming back, and you're going to do it for a minute. It's a very engaging exercise, considering that you're staying in plank and doing it. That's the next exercise. You need to bring your butt down, Leonie. Yes. And on a plank position, do the leg raises. It engages your butt, your hamstring, your core, and the shoulders as well. Keep your hand under the shoulders, directly under the shoulders. So, and push your butt and lift your legs. So that's the next exercise. You can see her doing that. Engage her core and hold that position. It's pretty tough. Alright guys, she's been on the third plank exercise, and this is my tomato. You can see her face.
I'm red.
She's red. Yeah, so she's become red now, and I don't want to torture her putting her on plank in next exercise. So we're going to move into we're going to do the beast position now. So we're going to change into a beast position and do the exercise. Continue it. It'll be interesting. So watch the whole exercise. You'll find it very interesting. And yeah, it's tough. It's not easy at all. So yeah. That's in the beast position. Leonie moving one leg down and the opposite hand down and bringing it back. So that's the workout. It's an interesting workout. You can still hear the timer. That's 1 minute workout and 1 minute rest. Okay, so yeah, the whole week a lot of us are doing this 1 minute rest and 1 minute workout instead of the counts. So it's easier on you. You can choose your pace at which you want to do this, and to endure this workout. That's the next exercise. Now you take both the limbs, your hands and legs onto the floor and bring it up again. Really see she's just touching the floor with her legs and bringing it back up. This is a pretty intense workout. The previous one is pretty challenging, but this is kind of interesting and very tough. Yeah, she can feel it already. That's 45 seconds. You can hear that timer going. It's pretty intense, even for a minute. So it's called a thigh hugger. So you hug the thighs, just crunch your abs and go down back. So if you want an advanced thing, the workout to be a little more advanced and really tough, try to touch your heel. So that's how we do it. Alright? So she's doing a simpler version. She'll become a tomato after this exercise. She's already becoming one. You can see that she's becoming red. It's intense. It's, if you really look at it, it looks easy, but it's not. It's a good crunch, keeping your leg at that height. Do not bring your knee above your hips, but go down and grasp your leg. That's the next exercise. You hold a plank position, then raise your hand without turning your hips. So keep your abs engaged and hold up the hand for a second or so and then bring it back down. So that's what you need to do. So you stay in the plank position. So there is a slight pelvic tilt, okay, where you hold the abs tight and then raise the hand. So it's not fully straight, but tightening your ab is very important. It looks easy, but it's really tough. Alright, that's the next workout. Since Leonie was finding it difficult to stay in the plank position, we moved one plank, one and prone position. So that's how we're going to do. So this is the Starfish crunch. You've seen this a lot more with Incorporate Fitness. So you spread your legs, you spread your hands and try to touch your toes. Fold yourself up and touch the toes. So that's exactly what you need to do. Yeah, you've seen aggressive versions of this, but this is the simplest version. Anybody can do this. So I revived her posture. Now she's doing a slightly tougher version of that. So it's interesting to see the Starfish crunch. It's an amazing workout. Alright, we almost at the last exercise. She had a tough, engaging ab exercise now. So the last exercise is super tough. So you're going to do only one setup. Okay? Yeah, she can't tell you. Yeah. I haven't told her yet, so she's waiting for that. Now, thanks for watching till the end. Watch us. You will see us. Leonie till she's in India, motivating a lot of people to work out, even if it's one person. I'm really glad to do it. So she's helping me do that, and I'm very thankful to her for that. All right, thank you. And watch. There's one more exercise, so watch till the end. All right, guys. So that's the last exercise. So high knees. So in Incorporate Fitness, we bring the feet high instead of getting the knee alone high. So you get it forward, run for 1 minute like that with your knee coming forward and your toes. So it's an intense cardio and also works on your abs, really intense. And she's already becoming a tomato. There. So that's an intense workout. Alright, see you in the next video, and Leonie will be there on. Thank you. Bye.